Let's all have fun with Uncle Emmett's Story Time. Hi there, boys and girls. Welcome back. Today, I've got a very special surprise for you. We're reading a brand new book written by a brand new author. The book is named Toto the Yoga Master, written and illustrated by Sladyana Lazarevic. I hope I pronounced that name right, Sladyana. So let's get on with our book, Toto the Yoga Master. Once upon a time, in the cozy little town of Wiggletail, there was a fluffy, adorable dog named Toto. Toto had big, sorrowful eyes, and his fur was as soft as the fluffiest cloud in the sky. He was the kind of pup that could make anyone's heart melt at first sight. But Toto was a shy little fellow, and sometimes he got so nervous around people that his tiny paws would sweat, and his heart would race like he'd run a doggy marathon. When he was around people, he would often get a case of the tummy rumbles and wouldn't know whether to bark, yip, or just roll over. So Toto would scurry off to his favorite spot in the garden, a little nook under the shade of a big, nice, friendly tree. Under the shade of a big, friendly tree, where the flowers seemed to nod and smile at him, in the quiet company of buzzing bees and chirping birds, Toto found his peace. One sunny morning, Toto watched a butterfly flit from flower to flower, moving so gracefully that it seemed to be doing a dance. I wish I could be as graceful as that butterfly, thought Toto. Just then, an idea popped into his furry head, like a bright, shiny bubble. I'll start yoga, he yipped with a newfound determination. I saw a little dog on TV doing yoga. I can do it too, and feel free like this beautiful butterfly. So, with the enthusiasm only a little dog could muster, Toto began his yoga adventure. He started with the downward facing dog pose. Well, this should be easy, Toto thought. I am a dog, after all. He stretched his little legs and pushed his rump up into the air. Look at me, I'm a natural, he barked with pride. Next, he tried the cobra pose, which was quite a challenge for a doggy spine. Hiss! Woof! Toto giggled, trying his best to imitate the slinky motions of a snake. He wobbled a bit, but he didn't give up. I'll get the hang of it, or my name isn't Toto the Terrific. Among Toto's yoga repertoire was one pose he found particularly empowering, the warrior pose. Standing firm on his yoga mat, Toto stretched one leg back and bent the other in front of him. He raised his little paws to the sky, imagining himself to be a grand and noble warrior of ancient doggy lore. I am Toto the Brave, the Mighty, he woofed softly, trying not to disturb the serenity of his garden. After a few more poses, Toto decided to calm his mind with some meditation. He sat, closed his eyes, took a deep, calming breath. Inhale the good, exhale the woof, he whispered to himself. The garden was silent, and for a moment it felt like the whole world was meditating with him. Toto felt his anxiety melt away like a treat in his mouth. It didn't take long for the other animals in the garden to notice Toto's yoga and meditation sessions. A curious cat named Whiskers, a sprightly squirrel named Nutty, and a wise old owl named Hoot decided to join in. The sight was so funny and cute that even the flowers seemed to giggle with their petals rustling. Toto's new friend followed his lead, stretching and posing in their own unique ways. Whiskers the cat was a natural at the cat pose, while Nutty the squirrel excelled at the tree pose, standing on one leg with impeccable balance. Hoot the owl, well, he just enjoyed being the wise meditation coach, offering hoots of encouragement. As time went by, Toto's confidence grew. He wasn't just Toto the shy dog anymore. He was Toto the yoga master, the little dog with a big heart and even bigger stretch. And though he still enjoyed his quiet time, he loved sharing his garden of tranquility with his friends. And so, Toto learned that sometimes when you're feeling a little scared and anxious, the best thing to do is take a deep breath, stretch out your worries, and maybe even invite some friends to join you. The end.